In this video, I show you how to sell your ebooks on Gumroad quickly and easily. Whether you're an experienced author or just getting started, Gumroad is one of the best platforms for self-publishing and selling ebooks online. Start by logging into your Gumroad account. On your dashboard, select the products option on the left. Then click the New Product button to begin. A window will appear with several product types. Choose ebook. This tells Gumroad you're uploading a digital book, so it can apply the right settings. Now, give your ebook a strong title that captures attention and clearly reflects its content. Next, choose your currency and set your price. Take a moment to research similar ebooks so you can price yours competitively. When you're done, click Next to move to customization. Here, write a compelling description that explains what your ebook offers and why readers should buy it. Keep it clear, engaging, and benefit focused. Then, upload your ebook cover and thumbnail. A professional looking cover helps attract buyers and gives your ebook credibility. After that, upload your actual ebook file. Make sure it's properly formatted for easy access. Double check all your details, and when everything looks perfect, click Publish. And that's it. Your ebook is live on Gumroad and ready for the world to discover. Gumroad handles the payments and delivery automatically, letting you focus on writing and promoting your work. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step toward building your digital publishing business.